In this video, I will show you how to create high-quality grain overlays in Gimp for any resolution. Let's get started. First, open Gimp. Then click on Files, then New. In the Create New Image template, type in the resolution of your choice or select one from the template list. The size of the image will directly affect the size of the grain, so a good rule to use is double or triple the resolution you need for a less pronounced look. For this video, I am going to choose 4K UHD, then click OK. Now we need the image to be a neutral gray. Select the foreground color, then select white or black, then change the L value in the sRGB profile to 50 and click OK. Now select the bucket tool and click anywhere in the image. It should turn a neutral gray. Now we will add random noise to the image. Go to Filters, Noise, and select CIEICH Noise. Click on New Seed. I will explain why that step is important a little later. Click OK. Now go to Colors, Saturation, turn it all the way down, then click OK. Now we will add a little blur to the image. If you want to change the grain blur later, then simply export the image. However, if you want, you can preset it in this step. Go to Filters, Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Now set it anywhere from 0.9 to 1.5 and click OK, then you can export your image. Now that you have your grain overlay, simply open the image you want to add it to. Then open the grain overlay image and select Edit, then Copy. Then go back to the image you want to apply it to and click Edit, then Paste. Now set the layer to Overlay. And there you have it. A high-quality pre-made grain overlay ready to use. I have compared these to real grain scans and they are almost indistinguishable. You can also use these for high-quality video overlays as well. Start by making an overlay just as before by selecting the resolution you want and make several of them. I usually make 24, but it can be fewer. The importance of the random seed is so that the grain pattern is always different. Otherwise, the grain would look identical frame to frame. After you have made your overlay files, export them and make each file name a different number, then place them all in a separate folder. Now open Kdenlive and set the project to the resolution of the images you made and the frame rate to your choice. Next, in the project bin, right-click and select Add Image Sequence. Select the folder where the still images you made are, and select the file type. On the frame duration, be sure to select the proper interval. For example, if you want a 24 frame per second overlay, then each image should be displayed 1/24 of a second. Click OK and Kdenlive will automatically create a video clip you can use on the timeline. Simply drag it above the video you wish to overlay it on and set a composition layer to overlay. Thanks so much for watching OpenFilm Forge today. If this tutorial was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more creative content. See you in our next video.